A customer currently has blades of several types, including Intel-based blades, and is using virtualization. Without having more details of the customer current environment, what could be presented as an advantage of the Unified Resource Manager, and without having more details of the customer current environment, what could be presented as an advantage of the Unified Resource Manager and ZBX? Option A. Employing a single hypervisor across all the platforms. Option B. Ability to easily relocate virtual machines across platforms. Option C. Ability to define and run more virtual machines per virtualized blade. Option D. Managing the workloads and the blades according to goal-oriented policies. The correct answer is option D. A customer has several multi-tier applications deployed on competitive platforms, including some large Linux applications, Unix and Windows, and is experiencing problems with managing the environment and growth. The customer does not have any mainframe experience. Which one should be our initial offering to help the customer solve the infrastructure management problem? Option A. TCO study to consolidate on Linux for System Z. Option B. Workload assessment study to verify applicability of Z Enterprise. Option C. Z Enterprise system with Linux on System Z, Windows on ZBX, Tivoli products, and services. Option D. Z Enterprise system with COS and DB2, Linux and Windows on ZBX, Tivoli products, and services. The correct answer is option B. A customer has many highly variable Linux workloads that would virtualize very well with C/VM. The customer needs end-to-end resource and workload policy management. They need to provision and deploy new instances of Linux easily and quickly in the future. Which of these alternatives would be the most appropriate Z Enterprise solution? Option A. Linux on Z/VM and IFLs with Unified Resource Manager. Option B. ZBX, since recent announcements shift focus away from Linux on Z/VM as a viable solution. Option C. Linux on Power Blades in a ZBX with Unified Resource Manager for simplified management. Option D. Linux on Z/VM and IFLs with services to set up and provide ongoing support for Z/VM. The correct answer is option A. A customer is planning to implement new hardware including System X blades, Power System blades and System Z. The customer is concerned about the complexity in monitoring and metering the hardware environment. They are interested in a holistic solution that provides functionality like firmware management, guest monitoring, network configuration, workload management and storage allocation. Which of the following IBM products would cover all these requirements? Option A. IBM Systems Director. Option B. Tivoli System Automation. Option C. Unified Resource Manager. Option D. Tivoli Service Automation Manager, TSAM. The correct answer is option C.